Hi everyone, my name is Erica. I'm from Modern Aqua and just wanted to introduce you all to our new gallery room today. So let's go on our little tour. Today we did a little bit of a launch event, soft opening in preparation for our grand opening. And so we'll be touring our first and second rooms of the gallery. Our hopes for this gallery room was to display all of the cabinets and showcase all of our shelves and accessories, as well as plants and other items that we sell. We also have other products that we will be releasing. Our living wall. It is a full irrigation system. We also have some additional products that we'll be selling, including some plant pots, our substrate, solum, that we've been selling that you can grow your plants in. We have two different sizes, a smaller solum size and included here too, but we have a larger size solum too. So this is our aquatic substrate that you can grow tropical plants in. It has an optimal pH level in order for the plants to uptake nutrients. This is our second room. We have a little bit of a different vibe to this room. Lighter colors of the cabinets, including the furniture. Additional products that we have are the hydroponic kits. We will have these restocked again soon as well. And these are kits that we provide that grow plants in a fully submerged hydroponic system. These are our newly designed lids with brass inserts in order to install steel rods that can stake your plants. It does have an aeration system, so it can add in bubbles into your roots and the water reservoir. You can also add on some nutrients as well to promote the growth of your plants. Another system that we built was the living wall in our Mills Hotel. Full irrigation system, it's automated and also has the grow lights inside. So we've been testing this out and this will be available soon for purchase as well online, also in person as well.